If your Mazda 3 throws the warning Airbag System Malfunction, it may basically mean two things. Either the wiring under or inside one of the front seats is damaged, or there are issues with one of the control modules in the system. In most cases, the problem comes down to the driver's airbag control module, or also the module responsible for the seat belts operation and indication. Fortunately, it's easy to locate the malfunction in module when the warning is on the dash and you have access to a high-end scanner, since there are dedicated codes for each module in the diagnostic system. Also, pay attention to the TSB number 0800122. With this TSB, Mazda issued an updated type of wiring harness for the Mazda 3 that solves the problem of intermittent warning due to a driver or passenger moving on their seats and affecting the old type of airbag module harness. This applies to vehicles made between 2019 and 2022. After about March 2022, Mazda started using the new type of harness in all new vehicles. The biggest problem is that the warning is very often intermittent and hard to replicate, since cars usually stop throwing any warnings once you come to the dealership. Unfortunately, there is not much you can do on your own. The only thing I would try is to check the 12-volt battery and disconnect it for some time to let the safety systems reset properly. In some cases, this may just be a glitch that will not come back anytime soon after reset, but chances are not that high. Eventually, you will need a dealership-grade scanner to locate the problem. And no, there is no recall for this, and if your car is not under warranty, you will have to pay for repairs. Also, even if the dealer tells you that you may drive with this warning and you're safe, it's not completely true. No one can guarantee that a certain airbag will deploy in case of an accident when this warning is active on the dash.